bend your backhand that's higher. The thing that everybody is having a hard time doing is lifting and placing that back foot away from your front foot. Away, because when you come down on your heel, middle portion here, I should see the span that we're talking about when we were doing our Tai Chi walking, okay? So here again, look at your backhand that's higher, lift, place it down but out, heel, pivot, hold. Check your feet. Are they in line? Are they in line? If they're in line, it's wrong. Open, lift, toe, heel, pivot, hold. Open, lift, heel and toe, heel, although this one's closer, it's still not. It's still good. It's still acceptable. But what I'm seeing